case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1986, the United States District Court for the District of Columbia heard the case Kerr-McGee Corp v. Hodel. The case focused on the requirements for a company to lease land to mine valuable minerals while using reclamation technology that did not conflict with the land's primary uses. Kerr-McGee and Global Exploration filed a lawsuit against the Department of Interior and Agriculture after their lease applications for mining rights in Osceola National Forest, Florida, were rejected. The companies claimed that the rejection interfered with their vested rights to engage in phosphate mining. However, the defendants and interveners argued that the reclamation technologies the companies planned to use were insufficient to restore the land to its original state, as required by the Mineral Leasing Act for acquired lands, 30 U.S.C. Section 351 et sec. 1982. The Secretary of Interior determined that the costs of reclamation were too high and that the plaintiffs had not discovered valuable deposits of phosphates, as required by the Act. The case was decided through summary judgment due to a lack of material disputes, with the defendants prevailing. The court ruled that the Interior Secretary's rejection of the lease applications was based on valid reasons and strong evidence, and wasn't random or unreasonable. The court affirmed the existing regulations and requirements for mineral development in Osceola National Forest, including proving the discovery of valuable deposits and compliance with reclamation standards.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.